Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Today we have this lovely wig from Sogoodhair. This is the 12-inch 150 density bob curly wig. On their website, it's called Bob 1123 and it comes with brown lace and it's pre-plucked. It also comes with 3 combs and adjustable straps, and it's just amazing. I cannot wait till you guys see how I transform this hair. So just keep watching and make sure to check them out. It came with lace on the back, so I'm just cutting that out. You can choose to customize that if you want like a natural look where you're gonna put the hair up, but I'm not gonna do that, so I just cut it out and I don't customize it. Also, the wig comes with a part for you, so it's a side part, and I was gonna change it and make it a middle part, but I was like, let me just do this because it's really cute, and the picture they have on their website made me want to do it like 20 times more. It was so pretty. I went in and customized it a little bit just to match my hairline, but I didn't do much. Like, it really already came pre-plucked, as you can see. LOL, the reason I started doing faces is because I was contemplating, do I want to take the wig off and actually do the bald cap method correctly, or just leave the wig cap under as it is, because I really did not have the energy to do all of that. So I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna, customize it and put some baby hairs around it and still try to make it look as natural as I can make it look. So if you guys do notice the wig cap, please just know I know, okay? I know, I understand, and if I was to go outside, I wouldn't do this, but this is for the video. You guys know this. So just, and thank you. But as for the hair, it came so quick. Like, I was shook because literally, when did I get it? I ordered August 3rd, I think, and today is August 6th. 3 days, okay? Wow. And they have great customer service. The wig is amazing. What else can I say? I like how much space is on the lace, so you can really do any part you want, even though it did come with a part. Like, that's convenient for beginners. Like, if you don't know how to pluck, it comes pre-plucked for you, so you're good. And that's pretty much it. Let me let you guys watch, and I'm gonna hush now.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even know it's me. You gotta feel me. We love you good. Just wanna do you.
would advise you guys to like bleach the lace, which is something I'm not good at, so I couldn't really do that for you guys. But I did wear the wig cap that they provided underneath, so it did the job a little bit. But I feel like if the lace was bleached, this look would have been 20 times more fire. Like, it would have just really looked like scalp, even though it did. But I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying, okay?
Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say what's on my mind. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Just wanna be okay. Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I see you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Just wanna be
It would have been nice if I had plucked this hair on a mannequin, but I wasn't thinking, okay? But still, it came out really good, and I felt like I really wanted to be dramatic with this hair since it was given like very much natural. I was like, let me do something dramatic, make the part a little bit big, and make the baby hairs, you know, pop. So that's what I was doing. You guys know I usually like my baby hairs like minimal, like really like baby hair vibes, but I was like, let me give edges today, okay? So that's what I did on the baby hairs. And yeah.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Without you, just
Like I said, I know that the wig cap is showing and it looks crazy, but I'm gonna go in with a little bit of makeup and try to tint it a little bit, which is not gonna do the job, but it's gonna do a little bit of something. But trust me, I know it looks crazy, but it's just because I really didn't want to cut off that wig cap, like, at all. I did not have it in me. So thank you so much. I think I'm gonna stop talking now. Make sure to check the description box. There might be a coupon code for you guys to use. Maybe not, you know, check it out. Check out their channel, not channel, but their website. Check out my channel, subscribe, like, and definitely share this with somebody that wants a wig that's pretty affordable. This wig is like $92. It comes quick. It came in 3 days. And you want great customer service, you want a bomb soft wig, you know, if you're a beginner, this is for you. So check them out. Definitely love Sogoodhair. Thank you so much. This wig is amazing. And look at it, flowy, feeling myself. So thank you guys. Bye. Mwah.